Barco stands for, well, it used to be Belgian-American Radio Corporation. So we really started within the radio business already 90 years ago. But now we're also active in many other segments, of course. Think about healthcare, think about meeting, collaboration, entertainment, and also more enterprise-specific applications. I currently work as a sustainability manager at Barco. What really drives me is the desire to make a positive change. Bringing people together, bringing colleagues together to tackle the great challenges we're facing as a society. Wherever you see an image, you see Barco. And what makes Barco special, and from my point of view, is the combination of impact, innovation, and also purpose.
To be innovative as a company, you have to go outside. You have to go outside of your comfort zone, look outside elsewhere, really be curious about what's going on in the world. So we invest a lot in learning and development, and it's really on three parts. Actually, you have the formal training. So on the one hand, it's really the Barco University that we have here, but also through online platforms. And then third, but not last, we also learn by doing. So we do a lot of assignments, open that up. We have share and learn sessions where we really try to also make sure the social learning happens in the company.
The first, what you call defining moment actually was in 2015 when one of our major healthcare customers actually asked to report on our carbon footprint, and this via what's then called a CDP. So that was a moment whereby, carbon footprint, what's that? And we'll have to start to measure that. Also, there are quite some important years from the UN and their sustainable goals actually, which they also redefined, I would say. So we are clear on that moment, sustainability is there to stay.
So we did an extensive stakeholder consultation. So we consulted let's say internally our employees, we consulted externally many stakeholders, think about suppliers, customers, etc. Also broader within our ecosystem. And this led to a new sustainability strategy that we call our Sustainable Impact Journey.
So the three pillars are the protecting Earth. So we're really working on a lot of initiatives here at Barco in the day that we interact on a day-to-day, but also on the way we create our solutions and our products to the markets. Secondly, it's supporting the communities. And then last but not least, my passion, it's about engaged people. So it's really about making sure that people can come the way they are to work, that they can bring all of their experiences in their backpack and can really work with their experience to have impact on the company.
There are certainly a lot of benefits and economical benefits in the different initiatives which we have taken along the way relating to sustainability. More shipping over sea instead of over air is also less costly. If we brought on the market a laser-based projector compared to a lamp-based projector, this is consuming less than half of the electricity.
We believe that sustainability is part of a good design. That's why we care a lot about modularity. So in our projectors, we make them modular, so parts can be easily swapped and you can upgrade in the future, so you have a projector that can be used for many years to come.
Our recent research showed that for 60% of IT leaders, sustainability is a key variable for the purchasing of their products and solutions. We have designed ClickShare to bring sustainability into the workplace, and we help our customers to achieve their sustainability goals.
At control rooms, we look at sustainability not only from the hardware perspective, but also from the software perspective. That's why we've developed an Ecoscoring module methodology for our software products, and I'm very proud to announce that Barco Control is the first one to achieve this Barco Software Eco-label.
We're working on two fronts in diagnostics. So first of all, we work on more sustainable products. This goes from more power efficient products, but on top of that, we're also working on more sustainable materials, for example, packaging. And secondly, with our healthcare applications, we contribute to a healthier world.
So that's where sustainability and GOS go hand in hand. If we measure the engagement scoring and also listening actually to our employees, this is good for not only retaining the talent which you have in-house, but also attracting new, young and anyhow broad talents.
We feel that the newer generation that is now entering on the labor market, they are really looking for that impact. They want to grow and they want that long-term engagement at a company. So they really want to make sure that they can learn, they can grow, they want to see their path, how they can move in the company. They also want to work at a company that is making impact on society. So they're really curious about understanding our sustainability targets and our strategy. So that's also a dialogue that we're entering more frequently than it used to be.
Well, one of the biggest challenges we're facing is maturing our ESG data, of course. So ESG data is scattered around the organization. You find it within different sources. So currently we are looking into how can we really collect the data better and also manage that data better in order to steer our performance, of course, because you need reliable, high-quality, non-financial data to make sustainability claims and also avoid greenwashing. What I'm very proud of is how sustainability is increasingly embedded in the way we do business, let's say. We have a corporate strategy, we have corporate targets, but increasingly sustainability is translated into business unit specific roadmaps, so long-term strategic management plans with dedicated targets and actions. The second one is the significant increase of revenues from products that score very well from an eco-design perspective. We have internally an Ecoscoring methodology that scores our products from a life cycle perspective. And we have set an ambitious target to achieve 80% of our revenues from products that score very well from an eco-design perspective. And lastly, I'm really proud about the reduction in carbon emissions, but also about the decarbonization roadmap we have built for 2030 and 2050.
What's also very important as a technology company to make sure that we understand what skills will be crucial for the future. We really want to also engage in the dialogue with our employees to make them understand what skills will be crucial for us, and please jump on that train because we will need you to develop also those skills to make yourself relevant for Barco, but also broader on the labor market. And that's the sustainable employability that we are going for.
Our sustainability journey certainly has not ended here, so it's a continuum and we continue to work on it. So looking forward now to 2030 and also 2050. So I have defined our targets over there and working on the different angles and really want to stay a front runner as we have been in the previous years.